Your lights on. Your lights on.
I'm fucked.
What is your flashlight
Mate,
on?
I fucking had it on afterwards because I flicked to it because I couldn't turn it. I couldn't shut the tank. Hello guys and welcome to a new episode of Phasmophobia. We are playing the new update today. We've got 3 new ghosts hopefully we're going to find. I have no fucking idea about them. Warsy's, I think you're pretty clued in, right, aren't you, Wars?
Yeah, so there's 3 new ghosts they've added, and they've not said what the ghosts fully do because they want us guys to go in, and obviously I think it's basically a bit of a bug test more than anything.
Oh yeah, definitely sounds like a beta test.
See if they react the way they're supposed to, but they're not telling us what is up. They're just saying there's 3 new ghosts. And for 2 weeks, those 3 ghosts have a chance of appearing a lot more than any other ghost. So obviously you're not like grinding through thinking, oh, it's a wraith again. Oh god, this one's a shade. So you get the 3 ghosts, and then
10 a bet that the first ghosts are Revy.
I wouldn't mind a Revy.
I would, because I want the 3 new ones, and it's always a fucking Revy.
No, I haven't had a Revy in ages. I'd love a Revy. I haven't had a Revy in ages. At least it'd be funny.
Right.
Now it's moved up to 1.
Fucking hell! The whole van's different.
Yeah, man, they got specced up.
Oh shit! Fuck the shelves. I'm well happy with this.
Yeah, I prefer this. This is well better, isn't it?
Oh yeah, look how much more room there is. Oh, not cramped anymore. Right.
Look at all this we can do for activities.
so many rooms for activities. Right.
Right. Get your headband on.
Good torch. Oh, my headband.
I think I can
you got the
instantly.
key?
Yeah, I'm in. I'm already in, bro. I'm away.
Yeah, no. MLG, you kid.
You know what we need to start, we need to start doing as well when we come into these places? We need to scout out hiding spots.
Do you know what I said?
MLG Summit, what?
No, you said, what we need to do? I said, your mum. Mum.
You horrible bastard.
Yeah, I got you, bitch!
I've already found it.
Fucking hell. Do you need me? Do you want me to just wait in the van?
Yeah, go get me a cuppa.
Yeah, no, yeah, I'll put kettle on for you. 2 seconds. Where is it, by the way?
Over here.
Ooh.
EMF 5.
Sick.
Right, that's good. I don't know if it's in the hallway though.
It seems like it's in the hallway because it went higher as you walked outside, didn't it?
Let me take a picture of this and see if it.
Can't see a bastard thing.
Okay, well, look on the photos I've just taken.
Well, yeah, we got it. Fucking hell, stick that evidence.
So it can't be a new one.
Oh great. See, wait, hang on. No, it can't be a Revy either. I'm talking shite.
Fucking absolute fucking codswallop.
Are you friendly? How old are you?
I'm looking for Elborn.
Do you want to harm us?
The breaker's on, so I know you do in the spirit box, but
Do you want us to leave?
If you get a bit spooked.
I know, get spooked me. I'm fucking an absolute alpha, mate.
Oh my god.
Oh! Breath!
Freezing?
Yeah, breath. Yeah, I got freezing.
Oh well. Okay. So, it's a gin.
Wait, how would you know it's a gin?
Because we got all 3.
What was the second one?
We got fingerprints, EMF, and freezing.
Oh, you got a 5 EMF. Fuck yeah, I didn't realise that. I thought it was just a 4.
I found some over here though.
What'd you find?
Fucking tarot cards.
Oh, for fuck's sake. You're doing roulette?
Do you wanna?
Yeah, fuck it, mate.
Hiding spots are here, by the way, and in that blue bedroom at the back.
Right, okay, that's fine.
This is gonna be fucking bad doing it here, like.
Russian roulette, let's go.
Death.
Oh,
That's joking. It had me.
Dick.
It had me.
Dick!
No, it wasn't me.
It's just a prank, bro. Okay.
It did actually say
Wheel
that.
of Fortune, red.
Oh, brilliant.
I got sanity rinsed. Awesome. Glad to
Hermit. You get a devil card, that'd be good.
Wheel of Fortune, green. So I'm literally the same as I was at the start.
Your goals have been pointless. I'm just gonna put this light on. Because the gin isn't the gin hate light or something?
No, it works better with the light on.
Oh, does it? Get those lights off!
No, it can't use its powers when it's got no lecky on. If you just get some candles lit and just get all spooky, get romantic in this bitch.
If you
Bro, I'm
want,
not
I mean,
being funny. I keep looking at myself at my fucking camera. I'm getting some fucking jawline, you know.
every single stream. I just got
Yeah,
the
man.
sun. I just got the sun, by the way, so I've got all my sanity back.
Oh, what the fuck? What did I get? The moon. No, Wheel of Fortune, red. What is the point?
Good shit. I just got the moon. All my sanity's gone.
Wait, is the moon actually a thing?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, fucking hell.
Death! 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 What the fuck?
You're done.
It just kills you. I thought it
Right.
hunts on death.
No, it does, but it was in the room, wasn't it? I did say
That
it was.
is ass, mate. That was
I did say-
instant death.
Yeah, because it spawns, doesn't it? It'll have spawned in the room and just instantly fucking grabbed hold of you.
I literally got the shittest fucking cards going there. That could not have been worse. Things went south.
Be careful of the dark, the ghost can sense you.
Oh, mine says that as well. Do they say
Doesn't even
things?
Doesn't even make sense.
What do you mean it doesn't? Of course it does.
Be careful of the dark.
Yeah.
No, but the whole point of the game is turn your flashlight off so it can't see you.
Yeah, but it says don't do it for too long, otherwise you'll get spooked to death, won't you? You'll die of fright.
Whoa, no.
I actually think that's how I'm going to die, you know. I'm having a beer today, so the ones that you left behind.
Celebrate.
Yeah, man.
Don't know what, but I'm celebrating something.
Celebrate my move, mate.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah.
Oh, this hiding spot's good. We can go there.
Ooh. They've vamped that up.
Right, where are you? Great, paid your rent. You're out.
You talking about me there? Or are you talking to the ghost? It's the reason I have to move, because I haven't paid rent in 9 years. I've only lived here for 2, but
9 fucking years.
yeah. But it's alright though, because I've given some money to my I didn't know if you know this was, but there's a Ugandan prince that's gonna give me £1 million.
You know what, Woody? It's funny you fucking say that, because there's one for me as well.
Really?
It's not the same one, is it?
Mate, maybe we're related. He says he's a lot. Did you say he was a long lost cousin?
Yeah, he said if
Oh
I
my God.
just give him about £5,000, he'll easily be able to transfer me loads more. He just needs to get out of the country to be able to transfer it over.
Ah, you see, he said the same thing to me, but I've sent him it, but he hasn't got back to me yet, so I'm still waiting.
Yeah.
But you know, these things take time, don't they?
I've got EMF5 downstairs, by the way.
Alright, Sam. I can't rush him with £1 million.
I have no idea what it was on, though.
I've also got these pills that make me dick 3 inches bigger in 3 weeks. Doctors ate it. So now I'll have a 2-inch dick.
And you wouldn't believe how many Russian MILFs are in my area.
Where are you?
I'm also getting Gullible tattooed on my back next week.
Are you? Colin said
Right,
that's
I was-
on my ceiling. I haven't seen it yet.
Yeah.
I believe.
Oh, freezing.
Yeah, freezing. Yeah, I got it.
Fucking hell, we're absolutely smashing this.
EMF5 and freezing again.
Yeah, I'm not even doing anything, I'm just studying. Memeing.
Oh, my ghost.
So it's in
Are you
here
friendly?
then. Is that normally kept? Any ideas?
Oh, fucking no idea, man. I'm just looking in that room where it usually was, but I don't think it's there. I think it's in the kitchen now, actually. Or in that little room with the piano.
I'm upstairs and I can't see anything. I'm trying to bone her out.
I don't know why, when you said that then, it reminded me of that scene off of Toy Story 1. Do you know where fucking Woody traumatizes that kid? We see you. Oh my god!
What the fuck happened there?
There was a ball underneath the, underneath that table. And it's just fucking shot out.
Oh, so it's in here then, ish, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. But I've never seen that before. Oh!
EMF5 as well.
Fuck's sake.
At least to scare you.
I'm a little scared boy.
So it's EMF5 on the ball. I'm gonna go get some more shit because I've just realised I'm walking around doing fuck all.
Don't leave me in here on me tart.
We can always come with. You don't have to fucking just stand
No, I
here
do,
and just
because
die.
there's content in it. How old are you? Are you friendly? Do you want to see what I taste like? Oh, it's messing with the electric! It's messing with the electric! Oh, fuck, am I dead? I'm fucking dead, bro. Oh, I'm fucking dead, bro, it's hunting! Is it fake?
I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Fuck, I couldn't see it!
Is it fake? Is it fake? Is it fake? Is it real?
No, I'm dead.
Is he still hunting?
No, it's professional in it, so
I don't know.
it's only on Nightmare. It does that.
I never get this far. I'm never the last one standing.
I don't know what it'd be. Oh, our sanity must have got fucked.
Oh, 100%. What the fuck is that noise?
I
Oh,
didn't see
fuck's
it.
sake, man!
Our sanity must be fucking
Oh
dead.
my god. Jesus.
Right, you're alright. It's not. It's downstairs in the living room still.
I'm downstairs. Oh, my heart's
About-
beating. My heart's beating.
No, you're alright, you Gucci. It's going upstairs now.
Sounds like it's gargling in my ear. Ugh. Can hear him
That's
thumping.
horrible. That is my worst ghost model. That I hate that one the most.
I can't see it.
It's the naked man that's dragging his leg.
Oh, what?
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone.
Oh my god. I'm getting out of here, man. Fuck this.
I want to see what our sanities are on, for fuck's sake.
So do I. Let me out of the house! Fucking hell. Shitting me right up.
Oh man, we got absolutely
Me 12?
tortured. We got tortured.
What drains sanity that fast? Give us a... Oh, fucking tits. Alright, it's not dots, it's ringing the phone. So it's not an Oni then. It's not an Oni. What was the other one?
Shade writing book.
Oh, I'll take a book. I didn't even put the fucking crucifix down, I just had it in my back pocket, like, I think I'm forgetting something. Fucking divvy. Alright, I'll get in there. I'll get stuck in. The power of Christ compels you. Is that you fucking with shit?
Might be.
Dickhead, man.
He like the power of Christ compels you.
Oh, fuck, no. F. Write in this book. Come on, have a go if you think you're hard enough.
I've never actually known that. Like, if speaking actually helps the chance of doing the writing.
Can you write in this book for me? Dear diary. Can you write in this book?
I killed Warzy today instead.
I don't think it's dots,
fancy
I'm flicking light on. Oh god, I got shivers then.
Why?
I don't know, man. Shit me tits up.
Why are you putting dots away for? You might as well just leave them out.
Well, no, because I can't fucking see anyway. I've got a beer now, so I'm getting on it. Right, I'll stick it on the wall. Can you write in this book for me?
That wasn't me.
What want you? Oh, fucking eat my ass. Why have you done that?
I chucked a bottle here. They chucked this bottle that's rolling.
I thought that was one I chucked, mate.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, because I remember I said I had a beer, didn't I?
Oh, yeah, you did.
Where's the power, by the way? Is it in that back room near the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, he says that with a question mark. Love that.
No, it's not. It's upstairs.
Fuck's
All the way.
sake.
All the way upstairs in the back attic room.
Oh, of course it is.
At least if it attacks, you can hide. Do you want me to go check sanity quickly?
Ah, yeah, you can do if you don't mind. I don't think you better see it, mate, as a ghost. It won't be great.
I know, won't we? You're on 60 at the moment.
That's not too bad. It's not upstairs either, you lying little cock.
Where is it then? Oh, I forgot you can sprint unlimited as a ghost now, can't you?
Oh, yeah, you don't have fucking breath as a ghost.
I'm fucking zipping around, me.
You left your lungs at home.
I can't remember where it is. Oh, no, I know where it is. It's downstairs.
Oh, you fucking rat!
No, I know where it is now. It's
You're
downstairs.
doing my treeing. Is it underneath the stairs?
No, it's...
If it's in that fucking back room, you're going to get a slap across the tits.
Yeah, you know where the big bed is? Like the big Victorian room.
You are so getting a slap.
There's a hiding spot here, though.
Oh, bloody good for that. I can have a rest on the bed because I'm knackered from running around the house like a twat. Oh, what are you fucking with now?
I'm not. I'm following you.
No, the ghost, I mean, not you.
Alright.
You written this book yet? Write in the book. Don't be shan. Right. Well.
I think it might be a shade, man.
What's the shading for?
No, not fingerprint. Sorry, ghostwriting. But
It's not right in the book. Write in the book, you twat.
ghostwriting can be funny sometimes, though, can't it? But
Who's laughing? Not me.
were you you
Oh, no, it's
left?
fingers. It's fingers. It's fingers. It's fingers.
Oh, sick as a gin. Right, get out.
Yeah, fuck you, prick. In a bit, fam. I'm off like as the cheese. Stick that in me book.
Do it outside the house.
Yeah, it was probably stupid of me, wasn't it? Fucking.
Yeah, no,
I know there's a ghost trying to kill me, but let me just write in my diary.
That's probably why I couldn't see it then, because it absolutely sprinted towards one of us and then just changed direction last second.
Yeah.
The gins travel fast as fuck when they're away from you, don't they?
Yeah, fast as fuck, boy.
Yeah, I got 10 bucks.
I got
Get
60.
in.
What the fuck? Right, ready up, cowboy. We're going on an adventure.
Should we do a small map again?
No, I'm doing campsite. I mean,
Oh, campsite's solid, man.
You're solid.
Oh yeah, thanks for noticing.
Not as hard as that ghost.
Do you go look for Slendy first? See if Slendy's about.
I looked in me one of my group chats from my old work the other day, right, and I saw this fucking. I'll send to the Discord because the guy it's a Tinder profile, right, and the guy looks like me, like proper looks like me, and the bio is fucking funny. Here it is. I'll send it now. 2 seconds. Saved it. I'm going to send it to Discord now. I'll put it on screen. I'll read it out. So, it probably looks like me, and it says, "Hey up, first of all. Hey up. My name's Matthew, prefer Matt, proper hard cunt. Need a bitch, got a dog, few tattoos and that. I can only have a wank between the hours of 9 PM and 5 AM because I've got parental guidance on my internet. Really enjoy long romantic walks off the cliff edges. Never done anal, but the right girl might convince me. Swipe right if the punani's tight." Funny that, but it proper looks like me, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It does from a distance.
Scary how much it looks like me. There's also I don't know if I ever showed you it. Con found it when I was living in Chester, right? There's a picture of a lad in an alleyway getting his arse eaten, right? Like yelling at the gods about how happy he is about this, right? And if it wasn't for my tattoo on my arm, you'd have thought it was me. Even I thought it was me.
Funny how you can get like absolute cross doubles of people, can't you?
Yeah, I've just got a generic face, I think, mate. Like me and Frosty, we've just got a generic face. I found a picture of. Remember we found that picture of Fat Frosty.
Yeah.
We found that. We found that one of you, didn't we?
Yeah, we did it for everyone. We got one of Kit as well, didn't we?
Yeah, oh yeah, the Kit one was unreal.
Yeah.
The Kit one was Kit, I think. I still think it was Kit.
Yeah. Old account.
Yeah.
Kit's Smurf account for finding bitches.
Got too much pussy, need a new profile.
Come on. Right, come on, what are you doing?
I'm looking for. I don't know what I'm looking for.
Hey up, looks like someone left in it, Eddie.
Hey up, proper hard cunt. Got a dog in that.
Few tattoos and that. What does that even mean, few tattoos and that?
I don't know, piercings, criminal convictions.
Oh, it's a board. Hang on.
It's a board.
I'll find out where it is.
Oh, Luigi.
Yeah, it's a Luigi.
Luigi, man.
Where are you?
Your mum's mate.
Where are you? Where are you?
Where are you?
Hidden in this little crevice. Where are you? How old are you? Come on, you dick! You're embarrassing me here. Where are you?
Has the thing come down?
Where are you?
Have you tested your audio to see if it's coming through?
Where are you?
Drop it, drop it.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Ah, my audio must be fucked.
GR. Great. Green.
Green
10. Green 10?
tent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the bone?
In me fucking pants.
Storage.
I was watching.
Storage?
Storage?
Yeah, storage.
Storage 10.
Yeah.
Okay. I say goodbye.
Storage 10 1. Goodbye.
Easy.
GG no remake.
I'm gonna go quickly check. So is that green tent there, do you reckon?
Oh, okay, it is, yeah! Shit in tits.
We're dead. I'm dead.
As if that's an actual hunt. I'm in bogs, I'm in bogs. How fucking fast is that hunted?
I think that might be one of the new ghosts, you know.
What makes you say that?
Footsteps. It's so fast.
It is fast, like, isn't it?
That noise is grim.
I'm not liking that. Put that away, you dick!
I'm dead.
You dead?
No. It's right in my ear.
It's gone.
It stopped. It stopped? Oh my god, I'm so lucky.
Get the fuck out of here, man.
How am I not dead? I should be dead.
No, don't complain. It'll fix
I can't sprint! Please sprint! I've only just stood up.
Right. What the fuck? My sanity's fucked, mate.
Oh my god, they must have. No, it must be the spirit board, man. Because
It's gotta be the Luigi on it. Give me some pills. Just take some.
Right, we should be sound now then.
2 sanity pills and I'm back to the same as you.
Right, yeah. Right, no more board then. We don't care about the board anymore.
We know where it is now, don't we?
Yeah, so this should be.
What we can do now is if we just fucking use the board to find him, then go straight back and use them. What's it called? Use the pills.
Yeah.
Are you friendly?
I'll step out.
Are you friendly?
I'll go see the bones there.
Do you want to harm
Oh,
me?
returned.
How old are you?
Oh, it's a skull. Big scully boy.
Oh, it's not a spirit box, mate. Oh, hang about. Hold the bus. Spirit orb. Orby.
Definitely.
Definitely 100%.
No, it can't be the ghost I was thinking of. What else do we need? Crucifix. I'll take a crucifix.
Yeah, that's a good shout.
Give us a bit of a head start, won't it?
Yeah. Give me a sign.
Book is down. And so is the crucifix.
Sick. Give us a sign. Oh, yeah, you little fuck.
I'm gonna go put the breaker on if I can find it.
I'll go stick those shit on. I'll go stick dots on. I've stuck it in the back side of the tent. Have we got another dots? Because I'll stick them in both. Oh! Did you open the tent?
Nope. I did just then.
It's fucking with something.
I don't know where the breaker is, man.
Can you shut them?
You can hide in little tents, by the way.
Can you? Good to know. I think I should.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Mate, it's already eaten the crucifix.
It's a fair. Has to be. It's going mental, isn't it? We can't have lost that much sanity.
Give us a sign.
I wouldn't stand in there too long, bro. It's gonna hunt.
It's got a fucking.
It's hunting.
You having a giraffe?
No, I'm not 100% it's hunting.
Swear down the balance of breads.
Yeah, I heard the gate lock. It's a fair. It's going absolutely scatty.
Ski ba da ba da boop.
There, Queen, there.
If she breathes, she's a thing.
I don't know if it's a wind I'm hearing or a ghost going like,
I don't know, because I was in the room, mate. So I don't think it is.
It's still hunting.
Oh, it is. Oh, it fucking is. Oh, it fucking is.
I saw your flashlight go mental.
Shit.
I'm dead.
How are you dead? Don't be. You thought about
Oh my god. No, it opened my tent door then stopped.
Is it gone?
It's gone. Run.
I'm taking a shit. Don't kill me while I'm doing a poo. I'm out.
Oh my god, that wasn't fucking funny.
Mate,
It,
it's
it,
Boston's like.
it opened my
38.
tent door. I saw it and then it stopped. So it was almost like it just got to me.
Right, one each. Get yourself
Oh
one.
my god. Oh, the breaker is all the way around the back of the tent, at the back of the cabin as well. It's miles away. Alright, I've got a smudge stick, so if it comes near us, it's gonna get a fucking whack.
Gonna get a mouthful of cough.
I'm gonna go put the breaker on, mate, because it's just gonna
Yeah,
keep
sound.
absolutely melting our sanity, isn't it?
Yeah, hundreds. Oh, hang on, was that breath? Yeah, breath, mate, breath.
Is that our second evidence?
Aye. Revi, Yurei, Hantu, Onryo.
Oh, okay.
I don't think it's Spirit Box, because I was in there a good while trying that.
Well, I don't think it's Revy, because it was its footsteps were like dun 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 dun. It definitely didn't have sight of one of us. Alright, breaker's on, so if you want to stick some lights on.
Aye. I'm just gonna get some more evidence, mate. Should we stick a fucking video camera in that fucking tent? Just what? Oh, it's just shut the gate, bro.
Shit.
No, Cab, it's just shut the gate.
Oh, just smudged.
It's 100%
Mistake.
hunting. I can't see fucking window in light.
I'm in a hiding spot, it's fine.
Hang on.
What we can do now is pray. Ow!
Has it got you?
Fucking how?
I think it's moved rooms, me man. But hang on, you're still alive.
No, I'm dead. I did nothing to indicate I'd be in that hiding spot, and it walked straight to the hiding spot and knocked me.
Phasmophobia, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go try the fucking thingy again, mate.
What the fuck? How has that found me?
I'm gonna try this the Ouija, see if it's moved.
I don't even know what it could be at this point.
What room are you in? Where are you? Goodbye.
What's it say?
It's green room still. Green tent even. Let's stick another fucking thing in. Is there another green tent?
Well, it's the crucifix in here though, isn't it?
Yeah, I was like, ooh. There's a little green tent here. You can't get it.
That's a hiding spot. So you can hide in these tents, you see.
Fuck off!
Where is it?
What the fuck? He just set off a fucking flare!
No, it's a red light event. It makes all the lights flash red.
Yeah, it did, aye! Jesus Christ. I'm not dealing with this.
At least that's an objective marked off.
2.
Buzz in.
Oh, it got EMF, so I must have... Because I stuck it on in the tent. So it must have...
Yeah.
Fuck else could it be, though?
I honestly have no idea, mate. I have no clue what it'll be.
I don't think it's Spirit Box. I'm right. I'm ruling that one out. So it's a Revi, Ray, or Hantu.
I don't think it's a Revy, so I'm going to mark off ghost writing because I don't think it's a Revy.
I don't think it's Dots either, if I'm honest, man.
Got to be Ure. What's Ure's special stuff? It's hunting. It's hunting. It's hunting.
Oh, you dick! I just got in!
Coming straight for you.
Oh, shut the fucking tent, you daft prick!
Your lights on. Your lights
I'm
on.
fucked, mate, I'm fucked.
Why is your flashlight
Mate,
on?
I fucking had it on afterwards because I flicked to it because I couldn't turn it. I couldn't shut the tent.
Oh,
That's
man.
ass.
I just see you spazzing around with a tent flap. Just close it, close it! The lights going off and the ghost is like, I wonder where he is.
It'd be
Unreal.
I fucking... It was not Spirit Box. I used that loads.
I don't know.
I need a wee though.
You don't need a wee.
I need a wee. want to
I need to piss out me cock.
Shit up my ass.
Yeah. I said that once, to one of my mates, and he spat his drink out. No joke. Like we both just sat there, like you just like you both drink simultaneously at the same time. I just went right, go for a piss out me cock. Just he spat fucking lager all at me coat.
Why is it so funny?
I don't know. It's just,
It just is.
Unconventional speaking, isn't it? You just
unnecessary fucking words.
Obvious where you're going for a piss out of, so you know what I mean? Just...
Yeah. Oh, I've got a shit out of poo.
Yeah, that's a classic.
Right, I'm checking room. Is it in here?
There's what in here?
A ghost. Oh,
I don't know.
The bone. I'm with you. I'm picking up what you're putting down, sister. Don't worry.
Stop following me.
No.
Creepy.
What do you smell like?
Give me a sign.
No.
Give me a sign, please. Oh, there's a door moved here, but it doesn't matter impressional, does it, I think?
I don't know, mate.
Oh, there's someone on the floor, yeah?
Ooh.
Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Are you here?
Oh, spit it up, spit it up.
Spirit orb.
Ghost orb.
Oh, it can't be the fucking one I want again.
It can be a Thay, though. It could be a Thay.
It's gonna go mental!
That's
Right.
fucking mental.
Down. I'm gonna drop your flashlight as well.
Right.
There's a breaker around here.
You've been... Ooh.
What?
I'm just making monkey noises, aren't I? Don't impression. No, I thought it was writing in a book, mate. I thought I had the scribbles, but then I realised there was no book here, so...
Put the thingy on, please.
Thingy on?
Breaker. So I've dropped my flashlight to get more shit.
Oh, it's there. Oh, it is on, mate.
Put some fucking lights on, then.
Young man. It's, thingies.
Nice.
I turned the light on, it immediately was like, no paparazzi.
Banshee, Hantu, or Backe. Oh, I think you should walk around with a paramic, because if it's a Banshee, it'll scream at you.
Oh, really? No, I'm glad of that. Yeah, of course, mate. We'll do.
Oh, it's doing stuff.
Oh, EMF. Where the fuck is it?
Freezing? Do you already know that?
Oh, it's just fuck with that. Fuck. How do I step in that, darling?
Freezing, it's a Hantu.
Is it actually?
Yeah, it's a Hantu.
Right,
freezing.
well, fuck yourself. We're off.
I'll tell you what you can do.
What's that?
If you keep the breaker on and the lights on loads,
Yeah.
Hantu is very, very slow. Come on, let's try it. It'll be a laugh.
Alright, what we
So
do?
keep these lights on. We'll both go get a smudge stick.
Alright, we'll just fuck him.
Yeah, we'll loop it around the kitchen cabinet. Just seek. It's not working.
Hide and seek.
Right, ready. This is gonna be. Oh, the lights are off. Why are the lights off?
Fuck! Run outside! No! Fuck!
Hide, just hide. Fuck's sake!
That's if, man!
Turn the light off!
Oh, but mate, I think we've beefed it.
We're both dead. Fuck's sake!
I just put me smudge sticks out of fear.
Yeah, no, good.
Fuck off, you
I think
shit.
it actually would have killed us there if you didn't smudge. I completely forgot we had smudge sticks. Is it done?
Yeah, get the fuck out. Fuck that, man. No, it's not done, it's not done! It's just done, Huey. Get me in there. Cuddle me. For fuck's sake!
It absolutely played us for fools there. It turned the breaker off, didn't it? It was like,
check
I know what I'm...
You think you're mint, but you're not.
I'm ready to go.
Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say that in heaven, wood it comes first. Right. Sound. Smells. Naming senses.
Music box.
Right, wait there. Don't do that yet. You'll make me cry. I'll piss my knickers, I will.
I'll make cry and then I'll die.
Oh, that rhymed. I'm a poet and I didn't even realise that I was in fact a poet.
It did not occur to me that I might be a poet.
Joe's been sending me loads of memes lately. Joe, the minion memes that mums use. Like, it's like, I hate Mondays.
Yeah.
But he's sending them, but there's like really edgy versions. So it's like, I hate Mondays, but instead of Mondays, it's like, got the word Monday crossed out and it's the N-word. It's just like really fucking edgy for no reason.
Yeah, I follow a page like that. It's like, oh, was just touched the door. Where the fuck was that? Yeah, it's like skull memes and like big like edgy skeletons that were on fire and stuff, and it says stupid shit like "tuck me into bed and give me forehead kisses." It's got like a big fucking like Grim Reaper with shotguns and stuff on a Harley motorcycle.
Like anti-edge.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's class.
Right, it's in the kiddie's bedroom up top.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I need to just put that light on.
Fuck's
I don't think it's in.
I just nicked the plate instead of my camera. My camera. I forgot it was upstairs here.
Go on and get some more stuff.
I went downstairs, looked around a bit, and went, well, it must be in the kitchen because it's the biggest room. But yeah, kids' bedroom. We got an Orby, and we got freezing temps. That's 2 for 1. Well,
Got an Orby and freezing.
Orby and freezing, mate. No cap.
Fucking hell, that was quick.
Oh yeah, like you in bed.
Oh, you dick.
Yeah.
Hello, are you here? Are you here? Are you here?
Friendly?
It's reset my audio
attack,
keybind.
It's an attack. It's an air, mate. It's an air.
Alright. You're asking shit.
What's your perfect Sunday? How old are you?
So what have we got? We got freezing, ghost orb, and spirit box.
Yeah, mate.
Unreal again. Are you serious?
How old are you? Ah! Fucking breathing in my ear, you bastard! Ah! Jesus Christ! Eloise says, "Yo, Woody, what's with the glasses, specky boy? I can't see without me glasses, El. Age is a bastard. Oh, I just put all my stuff in and all, for fuck's sake. That's gonna cost an arm and a leg.
How come it's killing us so fast?
I don't know.
Why do we just keep... I don't know.
Bit of a knob, really.
Why do we, like, just get all the,
Hey, mate,
evidence?
I'm not being funny. What if it's not a fucking... What if it's a mimic?
Mimic. Right, so what do I need to do now, then?
What does the mimic actually have? Ghosts. Mimic. Spirit box, fingerprints, and freezing temps. So check for fingies, mate.
Okay.
Take a crucifix though, because he is being a ratty little cunt upstairs.
Yeah, maybe... Because when we've got the mimic, maybe it impersonated being a demon or something.
Yeah. No, because it was an Onryo last time, so I think you can only mimic the fucking... Oh, no, you're right. No, yeah, because it could be... Yeah, I see what you're saying now. I think I'm picking up what you're putting down, bro.
Right. I'm putting down something.
Putting down... my dog.
Yeah, it's fingerprints. Oh my god! Oh, that's so cool! Can you see that or not?
No,
oh, you can't, can you?
What is it?
It's an Obake fingerprint. It's the 5-finger one.
Oh, is it?
Get that on stream. I'll send you a Discord.
Okay. You're making me panic now. I'm scared I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm fucking...
That's so cool, man.
Shit, yeah.
It mimicked an Obake thing.
5-finger palm slap.
it's a mimic. Good shout, man.
Oh, look at hell! In death. Fucking it was a mimic. You can eat my ass.
Right, let's go. Smash that. That was fast. I don't understand how we got all the evidence, and then it was just like, right, I'm killing you now. I've waited long enough for my Woody today.
I think it's because we labelled it, and it is Pride Month.
Yeah, maybe. It's like,
like, stick me in a box!
I'm a mimic, I can be wherever I want.
Fuck you!
Maybe because they've updated the Mimic. Maybe the Mimic is one of the ones that shows loads as well.
Yeah.
So maybe we're just being unlucky at getting Mimic loads.
Yeah, maybe big
I just-
cribs.
Oh, put up as big knobs.
I've never heard that version. Aye, big guy. Just maybe own up. There you go. Do with that what you will. I'm fucking thinking that I've lost all my stuff now.
Howdy, boys!
What's the code? I can't remember the code to get in.
Fuck's sake, man, you're embarrassing. 385775. You fucking dick. You fucking
8,
embarrassed me again.
5, 7, 5. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
friends!
Yeah, it's set me headset as me mic.
Ah! What's your favourite letter? Ah.
Oh. Oh.
I say we do one more, and then we call it for tonight. I'm not
Yeah,
any
sure.
ghosts.
Here we go.
Let's fucking do it, mate.
Put us in house.
Yeah, good afternoon, house, mate. Fucking go.
Did you add stuff?
Fuck. Nah, I did.
You sounded convincing there as well.
I know, it's just prank, bro. You
Oh.
just believe me because I'm stupid. Oh. Fucking hell, hiccup.
Sounds like that fucking guy at the urinal I was at one time. He was like, "Oop, just farted."
Oh, farted. Hang on, there's no fucking big lights.
Why is there no big lights?
Fucking using little ones, aren't we?
Oh no!
Missing tit.
Right, come on.
Have you told that story on the stream before?
Piss and tits.
No, the urinal guy.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so.
Go on, tell it.
So we were at college. Oh my god, this flashlight is shit compared to the other one.
Is it that bad? Oh, it's not great, is it? It's not that
I mean-
bad. It's not that bad.
I was in college and I went to the toilets one time. There was this really loud, obnoxious guy on his phone talking like whilst he's at the urinal. Like he's got his phone in his like shoulder here, and he's like pressing it up against it while he whacks his cock out as a piss in the urinal. And he just all of a sudden he's halfway through his sentence, just farts, pauses, and then proceeds to tell. Doors are going mental here.
I know, yeah.
Proceeds to tell the person on the phone, going, "Oop, just farted," and then carries on his conversation as if like nothing happened. And I was just creaking next to him. I was like, why'd you tell him
I
that?
know, he didn't need to know, did he? Oh, farted.
No.
Just in
Oh,
case you were
just
worried about
farted.
someone else.
Oop, just farted. I can hear doors go mental, mate. Where's this happening?
Probably upstairs, isn't it?
It's the party here.
I reckon it's upstairs, mate.
New ghost.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? Why are you cooking me? Why? Stop fucking people in our bed wars.
I'm sorry. I can hear doors again. I'm going upstairs. That's
Oh.
you.
Get some lights
Look
on.
for things out of place.
Let's get some lights on because this is scary. Oh,
Oh, he's a boogie.
I had a big shiver again. Don't they say that someone's stepping on your grave?
On your grave?
Yeah, that's what they say when you shiver, it's someone stepping on your grave.
I've never heard that before, like.
But I'm gonna fuck that in the ass right now because my granddad used to shiver and he's got cremated. So, your move, God.
Makes no sense.
You're full of shit.
It's hunting.
Is it actually?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm dead, I'm dead. Fuck's sake, man.
What the fuck is going on today?
I'm away. I've managed to escape. What the hell is going on?
It's still hunting. Oh, the lights are on, mate. Oh no, fucking tits, McGee. Having a right bloody mare.
How did I get away there?
I think I'm fucked, mate. I actually
He's
think I'm
looking
fucked.
at me.
He's left
He's
all the
looking
lights
at
on.
me.
Oh, all the lights are off. Never mind. He's still hunting.
No, if the lights are off, it's done.
Why did it turn the lights on? It's not even put turn breaker off, mate.
No.
What?
I'm right next. I did in the cupboards.
What the bloody fuck?
Well, it
Oh,
came
hang
from.
about. It's fucking with. There's a bottle on the floor in the dining room.
Yeah, we need to get out.
But do we?
Sprint for the exit, Woody. Sprint for the finish.
I can't. I've got no sprint left.
Alright, well, we've just done what happens on big maps. It's the bald guy with a knife, butcher's knife, by the way.
Oh, what the fuck is rinsing that sanity?
Could be a shade.
It better not be a fucking shade.
Hey, I did this. Hey, look, I did the escape thing. I've just put a smudge stick for.
Oh, mate, I threw the fucking lighter.
You've just
It burnt two.
Oh my god,
I just
man.
had it and I went like that.
Well, don't do it again.
Well, no, I mean, all I did was throw it. That's bullshit. As if.
Could be. Could be. Oh, look, I got the have you a member of a team escape a ghost during a hunt.
Oh, nice one. Sorry, that sounded really facetious. That actually am.
Yeah, I know. Oh, nice one.
Yeah,
What else have you done?
Well done. Good for you, mate. Good for you. What an arsehole I am.
Right. I don't know where it is still, but I'm going to walk around with fingerprints. Might be a good shout.
I'm going to get a crucifix in there. I'm sure it's in that kitchen room, mate. Like
I saw it here.
Yeah,
where's the light?
There's stuff on floor. Oh, tits! Fucking shitbag, it's hunting.
No, it's not. It's a ghost event. It's a ghost event.
Do you reckon?
No, it's a ghost event. No, I'm outside.
Alright. Oh, he's just turned breaker off.
Fucking asshole, man.
Mate, I had proper shit out of poo then.
Back to this old chestnut.
It all comes full circle for us. Where's the breaker now?
Oh, I've got it. It's a back
Oh,
on.
yeah. Oh, nice one, mate. Cheers.
Yeah, I do remember. Me and you held hands. Put it on together.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's fucking with radio. Are you friendly? Oh, you won't turn the light off. Are you friendly? How old are you? Do you know the Muffin Man? How old are you? It's not Spirit Box.
There's no fingerprints on the doors.
Sanity in this bitch. Get that down.
Oh.
Hang about. He's
Yeah, fingerprints.
nice. I need a torch, mate. I threw my torch away. What am I, fucking dingle?
My god, we've got an evidence. It can't be the new ghost, man.
Of course it's not. Fucking
Oh my god.
25% extra chance to get a new ghost, and we fucking 8 games and we don't get any, apart from the one that we can't fucking do. Arse. Arse.
I'm not taking that anymore. Because I don't need to.
A plethora of arse. No, I'm lying to you. I'll get some more stuff. Oh no, I'm not lying to you. I've double lied to you. It's 4.7 out here now. Fucking arsehole.
It's not on the crucifix. It's not on the crucifix in there.
Has it?
Yeah.
Ah, you dickhead. We've got you. Right, 2 ticks. I'm going to place camera. Right, there's a camera in here now, man. We don't have to watch it from inside. We can watch it from the van. Fuck him. He's a dick. What the fuck was that? What was that? He's a dick. He's a dick. He's a dick. He's a dick.
What's it done?
I just heard it speak.
What did it say?
I don't know, it was garbled metal. I watched that back. I swear down I heard something, man.
Alright, I'm gonna watch from the van. Oh man, we've eaten our pills as well.
I'm going to flick the light off. Do you want me to try Spirit Box one last time in here?
Yeah, can do.
Yeah, I'll do.
It's on in, instantly started hunting.
Piss and
They got in.
tits, fucking shit.
Run.
Mate, I've just used my stamina and all.
I'll smudge it for you.
No, I'm hidden. I think. I fucking hope. I pray. I hear him running.
Running?
No, he's close. He's walking. He's not seeing me, am I?
Does it sound slow or does it sound fast? Or is it no footprints?
Dum. It's not fast. It's like normal footprints.
The light's on down here.
EMFs are going mad though. It's hunting, mate. It's fucking hunting.
And then fucking...
Say, I've just threw the smudge, mate. I've fucking beefed it, haven't
You threw it?
Yeah, I panic. I pressed G. I used it though.
Oh my god.
I think I'm dead, bro. It's getting
I've
harder.
just used mine as well. Why is use smudge stick F? Flashlight is F.
Yeah, I think that's what I did. Has it got you?
Done? It's done? No, it's over with. It's finished. Let's just go. I'm gonna guess it's an Obake.
Found. I'm game to agree with that. I have fucking no idea, man, if I'm honest.
Right, Obake or Hantu? It's turn the breaker off and it sounded quite fast actually, so I might go Hantu.
I think it's a fucking Obake, mate, if I'm honest with you.
I'm gonna go Hantu because I think it made it up the stairs quite fast and the breaker's been off quite a lot of time, hasn't it?
Yeah, fair.
So I'm gonna go Hantu because
Right,
it was speeding up.
Well, one of us is going to be right, aren't they? So
Yeah,
well,
so it. Right, quick high five before we end. Bam!
bam!
Let me in. Let me in. I want to watch back and watch that fucking scream. We definitely need to play this again though, because I want to find some new ghosts. I want to find that one that we can loop when it's dead slow.
We will play it again. I promise you, we will.
Oh, it's an Obake.
Yeah, I got 195 quid. Whoop, whoop.
Woody got it right.
Means I'm paying. Oh, I hit that. Oh no, must have said I hit level 200. Right, yo. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We shall see you in the next stream.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.